This pets is so cute. Buy my pet's merch. The store link is in the description of this video.